arrest of the former president on March 11 was part of a whole of government effort to bring down the Duterte as early as possible before 2028.
Yan lang umano ang isa sa mga findings na natuklasan ng komite ni Senadora Amy Marcos mula sa tatlong paglinig na kanilang ikinasa hinggil sa naging pag-aresto kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at di kalaunay pagdala rito sa The Hague, Netherlands. Ayon kay Marcos, posibleng ito rin ang dahilan kung bakit raw sinimulan ng Kamara ang pag-imbestiga sa Office of the Vice President at maging pag-impeach kay Vice President Sara Duterte sa kanyang pwesto. Dagdag pa niya sa mga nakaraang pagdinig, lumalabas rin na tila merong nagaganap na cover-up hingga sa naging pag-aresto upang pagtakpan ang mga iligal na prosesong isinagawa. Imumungkahi naman din daw ng senadora sa ombudsman na paimbestigahan ang Department of Justice.
Thirdly, if we are saying that there appears to be political motivation, there appears to be a concerted cover-up. Thirdly, there are possible criminal and administrative liabilities. Hence, we are inclined to recommend to the Ombudsman the investigation of the DOJ for the violation of anti-graft and corrupt practices, for sanctioning an invalid administrative arrest against the President, also against General Marfil, Chief PNP, possibly liable for arbitrary detention, violation of anti-graft, grave misconduct. Also, under DILG, arbitrary detention, similarly anti-graft, grave misconduct. General Nicolas Torre III.
Samantala, nakatakda namang magsagawa ng press conference ng Senadora bukas para linawin at talakayin ang lahat ng kanilang findings hingga sa naging pag-aresto